everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stylish alphabet letter poster design in Canva. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. First thing first, drag your image into the design and resize it to fit the page. Next, go to Elements, scroll down to Frames and search for a letter you want to relate to your image. Once you have found the letter, drag the frame into the image. Position the frame wherever you like on the image. Make sure it looks just right. Now drag the same image inside the frame. Double-click inside the frame to adjust and resize the image so it fits perfectly within the original. Next, duplicate the frame. Select Edit Photo, go to Adjust and decrease the brightness to 0. This will give us a nice darkened effect. Go to Layers, Show Layers and move the duplicate behind the original image. Click on the first frame, go to the border style, set the width to 6 and choose the white color. Double-click the shadow frame to make any final adjustment and ensure everything lines up nicely. Then click on the first image, select Edit Photo and remove the background. Head back to the layers and move to the image to the top. Crop the image as needed, change background color and adjust all the elements to center. Once you are happy with it, go to Element, search Shadow and select one that suits your image. Adjust the distance of the shadow to get the look you want. And there you have it. A beautiful customized alphabet letter poster is ready. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep watching. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.